Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Here's the fatwood that we worked with yesterday. I found it out in the woods. We made a fire with it. And this morning I think I want to turn it into a whole bunch of shavings. I'm not talking about scrapings. I'm not talking about Maya dust. Let's turn this into shavings. And we'll go ahead and put it in a Ziploc bag, and over the next several days or so we'll see how reactive it is. I just want to see if I can bypass the scrapings, the Maya dust stage, when it comes to fire starting. We can't lose on this experiment because we'll always be able to use these shavings in any of the fires that we're trying to start. So we'll go ahead and use my Putty-Knife knife again. And the spine doesn't need any sharpening, but the edge could use a little touch-up. This is a Smith's Diamond Stone. You can get it for $30 on Amazon. It's got a fine side and a coarse side. I'm going to put you on time lapse, but let's do the first 50 shavings at regular speed. Good looking stuff. Is it too coarse to ferro ignite? Maybe I can break it down in my hands a little bit before I try to ferro ignite it. Let's do 3 piles of it. And of course, flammability depends on the quality of your fatwood. It looked like some pretty good stuff. It ignited pretty well yesterday. This is a Bayite ferro rod. You get a 3-pack of them on Amazon for about $15. All right. Let's break them down into smaller pieces now. Makes sense. And this has a bunch of small pieces in it already. We'll practice with it a little bit. We'll see what it's going to take. All right, y'all. Do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one. We'll let that burn a little bit. I want you to check out how symmetrically that mullein is blooming all the way around that flower head. Isn't that gorgeous? And I can't get any closer in on those stamens. Let me tap the screen, see if it'll focus. Beautiful. I get my WD-40 out here. We'll clean the table up a little bit. This stuff is highly flammable, so be careful in a situation like this. Our poor grass is really thirsty. We'll give it another little shot of the good stuff. We'll catch you on the next one.